Reality check man from your device, you know it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, to them my viewers and subscribers, before me even start, there I have some black tea and some water crackers, or Excelsior tough crackers and some black tea. Be specific. Me show no what I go on. Right? Jack and a bush, man. Jack and a bush. I leave Jamaica. But one thing more some people to understand, Jamaica never left out of me. That's my roots. That's all I have. That's my everything. So when we fight and when we talk, we not talk because we are trying to be partisan. Or the buy side here and the buy side over here. We talk because we know in a corruption. And we are talking for the liberation of the Jamaican people. So we don't name a people yard. So when we talk, we don't do that and make no apology behind it. Me say me no like thief and I don't like liars. I will repeat, me no like thief and me no like liar. Why you don't?
Keep blazing your fire, fire, fire. Blazing your fire, fire, fire. This is Jimmy Morgan bigging up Aromatic Realistic TV. Real about ya here. Subscribe now. YouTube. Boom.
My mother tear me ass for lion thief. I was the second to last child for my mother. So me went dead a long time before my next sister come along. So I me do everything. I me are the send out boy. I me are the go-to. You understand what me I say? I me have to do everything for her. The smallest one right by her side, her handbag. Me in the kitchen, I me the pass the yam, the banana. And me run Ghana shop, go and buy the chicken, but the rice, the flour, the salt. I was right there beside her for years. So I was almost the wash belly from my mother's womb. And in trust me ass, she trust me ass. Because oh me and you fi dead. And you went inside in the sugar jar and me out the sugar. And chew me now think say me slick. Me out sugar mouth cleaner and no say the sugar crumbs and drop out round the place. Cause me not have time to look on that. Because me already done the damage. And when she come in and she ask say, son, she call me by my name. You going to the sugar jar? I said, no, mama. Never going no sugar jar. No, I don't mean. No. Me and my mother alone did it, because as me said, I was the wash belly at the time. Unless a dopey going, they go near out the sugar. And my mother knows say none dopey no good. Any dopey I must me. So she trash me ass, you know, not to go thief the sugar, you know. But she had disciplined me because she had said to me, say, if you never want it, you wouldn't take it. But since you go and you take it, you don't need to tell me any lie. I don't beat you because you go and eat it. I beat you because you lied to me. So from there on, me know say liar than thief and a good sitting because me feel the judgment for liar and thief from my mother. So when me say I don't like liar, then I don't like thief. Because remember, thief come to kill, steal, and destroy. And a liar will destroy your reputation. Sometimes then take it more than that. A man tell lie and you're going to prison, going to spend how much years your life done. So I am not in favor for thief and liars. Me throw me stone. Any hag why lick, then go ball out. I saw them say, you know, if you live in a glass house, not throw a stone. And when you dash a rock in a hag pen, any hag will scream at him. You understand? So when the Prime Minister of Jamaica, promised us, the people of Jamaica. So I am going to make you sleep with your windows and your door open again. And after 8 years, that not happen yet, it worse. If you try, you're dead. That's a lie. A man promise you say him go bring back jobs. And after 8 years, no jobs. That's a lie. A man promise you say him going make you move from poverty to prosperity. Wealth. Blessings are go flow like a river. Your dark days are gone. And it's only joyful time all around. And after 8 years, that promise can't fulfill. That's a lie. So if I said I don't like liar and I don't like thief, why you coming off of me when the facts is right there? You understand what I'm saying? And take it another notch up. 1.7 trillion is missing from taxpayers' fund. And the last time I check, if my knowledge or my senses is proving me, or my memory, they say anything wanna give to you, a thief, your thief, 500 million barrels of oil missing from Petrojam. Under the the present administration. And nobody can give account for it. Anything wanna give to you, and you go take it, a thief, you thief it, 100 million, US, missing from the cap aluminum money, and it wasn't given to you, it is taxpayers' money, So it is telling me a thief, you thief it, 750 million loan from the Inter-American Development Bank, from the World Bank, from the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, and the 750 million, it gone. A thief, your thief, taxpayers' money again, brother. 400 million COVID money misspent. Can't give account for it. No thief, taxpayers' money again, man. The Cornwall Regional overrun from 1.3 billion. That was the first estimate to do the project. And 7 years later, the project is still there. A thief who not thief taxpayers' money again. So when me say me not like liar, that me not like thief. But deal with the facts, not deal with me. Because as me say me there, they drink some Jackana Bush, Coal Bush. And me the name who cook. Tea and she done dry. So we no near my people yard. And we no run with us. We run with us. So a boy can come talk to me and come up in my face. Excuse the rush. We no deal with drifters around here. Low life. 3,000 and 4,000 and 5,000 rum and boom and jump up. We no deal with it around here. So excuse me. And when you try to come talk, know who you are talking to. Because the thing no normal. It no little. It not small. So what one I run up in? I said I don't like thief and I don't like liar. Cause my mother roast me ass. We lie to her after me gonna name out the sugar. And all that she wants from me is to just tell her, say yes. Because what she's saying, if you never want it, you wouldn't go take it. I know you. You are my child. You understand what I'm saying? So if you run up, not run up in a me, go run up in the facts. Because we only deal with facts. I'm just saying, if you promise me something, or you tell me you are going to give me prosperity, and 8 years later, you want to change the tune, you lied to me. If you promise me that you will make me sleep with my door open, and after 8 years, I have to have all grill, door, window, burglar bar, everything locked up, you lied to me. If you promise me jobs, 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 and after 8 years there is no job, you lied to me. If you went behind our back and go and take 1.7 trillion from taxpayers' money, that's stealing. If you go and take a loan in the COVID for 750 million and you did not give that loan to the people of Jamaica, that's stealing. If you went to Petrojam and you steal 500 billion barrel of oil, million barrel of oil, whenever give to you, that's stealing. You understand what I'm saying? So, oh, you have a problem with me, seminar like thief and liar. When the things that I'm outlining is what is taking place with your administration and whosoever is leading that administration. So you can't have a problem with me, go and have a problem with the facts. I said my mom scold me and scold me hard. Not just sit me down and talk to me, but use the coconut broom. You know me I chat about it now. Coconut broom what them use and sweep. And that my mother use and roast me ass. When you look for me, me wheel up and bruise up. Because what? I lied to her. And from there, so, anything when me take, before she even come, she reach, yeah man, XYZ. Because I am not going to make that happen to me again. You understand? She teach me the fundamentum of life. To be honest. To be honest and be respectful at all times to your elder. And until this day, those things are with me. So when me say me no like thief, and me no like liar, me dash me stone in a hog pen, and any hog while lick, him go scream, for your business that we go nurse your home. Me no have no problem with that. You understand what me I say, my viewers and subscribers? I saw the thing said, right there, so there. You understand? So you know what me I say? Stay tuned to the movement, Aromatic Realistic TV. Like and share. And follow us over YouTube. You know this platform is here to stay. You understand? We don't deal with tabloid, propaganda, gossip. We not doing animosity over here, son. We speak truth to life. You understand? We are here to elevate and to uplift, to open up the minds of our people. Of them to become critical thinkers. You understand? So that they can make better decisions for themselves going forward. And that decision that they make will go down to their kids, their grandkids, and their great-grandkids. That is what we are about. What we tell them, say? The signature word. Art of love. Art of love. Art of love. So here are crackers. Jock on a boat.